we tick all of our members in our presentation, I get to conclude the great work that the team have done in Auckland. So we covered quite a lot, as you can tell, because PowerFX has many uses. And so you have seen some life hacks. You've seen the start of our Make as a Reference Bank. So we really want to encourage you guys to kind of think of ideas. Sarah, we're going to share that location for that. So adding more ideas, because we're always wanting to look for efficiencies. And I think what you've seen in our demonstration really is around the efficiency gains that we can get with PowerFX. I think one of the key learnings, though, is that you would have heard all the developers in the team say how you don't need to be a developer to use this, but you would have heard all the non-developers say how they needed a developer. So I think there's a little bit of work to go in our learnings around the fact that it's not entirely user-friendly for those who don't know code, but it's definitely well on its way. So that kind of is like what we covered. In terms of what's in the work for Microsoft, there's quite a few learnings and things that are not there. So low-code plugins, so there's not solution aware yet. So from our big driver here at Matrix around quality and ensuring that we follow process, there are things that you have to make sure that you add into your deployment checklist and your go-live plans to make sure that they come across, because otherwise you'll leave them behind and create problems when we're trying to reduce problems. They can only, no, at the moment they can only use the Microsoft defined actions and things like that, but in the future they're going to bring in user defined ones. And then the other area, rather than reading it, is that they're still in the works with rollup fields, because they're really focusing on trying to create parity with calculated fields at the moment. And so rollup fields, and that will come later. You can read, we're running out of time, but current style type doesn't work at the moment, and there's limited usage around the plugin area. And that is really the kind of sum up of everything.